I'd be a domino. You would feel my flow on the ground beneath you.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is a long-awaited video. I know you guys have been asking me about meal ideas and healthy meal ideas and all of that stuff. So today's video is going to be easy, healthy dinner ideas. Thankfully, I had the help of my husband. So me and my husband are both in a weight loss transformation. We have been on this journey for a couple of months now, and he has completely transformed his body. It's really, really amazing. So then I also have had some great progress. I am a Beachbody coach now, so I am doing Beachbody workouts. So I hope you guys enjoy these ideas. They are easy to us. I feel like they'll be easy to you guys. Some of them you guys might already do, but I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please go ahead and comment down below what your favorite like clean eating meal is, or healthy meal that you feed your family. You know, it could be anywhere, anything from chicken and veggies. It could be something amazing like a cauliflower pizza. Whatever it is, let us know one meal of yours that's healthy that you like to cook in your house. And if you don't cook healthy meals yet and you're just trying to learn or get some ideas, then that's cool too. I hope that this video inspires you and that you can take some of my ideas and cook them at home, and it can help with your journey and weight loss, or your journey and just eating healthy overall. So without further ado, we're just gonna jump into the video, and I will see you guys in my next video.
All right, you guys, so tonight we're going to have some salmon. This is the wild caught pink salmon, boneless and skinless, and this is from Kroger, or Kroger brand. And so this is a family size, and we got 3 out of here, and then we have 3 more for another meal. So this is the first thing we're gonna do. And some of our seasonings that we're using are all right here. So right now we're putting down the lemon on top of the fish, and we already laid down our coconut oil. Alright, so Shanam already put down the garlic powder, and then he also put black pepper down. So right now we're gonna go ahead and fold up our tin foil just to close in heat when it bakes in the oven. Alright, you guys, so I don't have enough to feed us left of my Japanese rice. I do have to get some more of that. So we're gonna go ahead and just use this minute rice. You can use any kind of rice that you'd like, white or brown rice. And we are cutting down on our carbs. So I know Shanam won't be eating any rice, and then I'm just gonna have a very small portion. And we count macros, so that's how we know how much carbs we get a day. So we are gonna make this because the kids need to eat it. All right, you guys, so this is one of our healthy dinner ideas that we like to do. So you just have your fish, your salmon, asparagus, and rice. And then this is my hubby's plate, and he is gonna go without rice. So you really have a couple different options here. They're both healthy, but one just has less carbs than the other. All right, you guys, so today is Tuesday, and we are going to be making chicken lettuce wraps. So we are cutting up our chicken now, and we are gonna have this tahini sauce on it, sliced cucumbers in our wraps, and we're going to have sliced carrots, which I'm working on right now because these are the ones I bought, but you can buy them pre-sliced. And then we're just gonna use our trusty old coconut oil, and we will show you guys what it looks like at the end. All right, you guys, so we just added a little bit of garlic powder and pepper, so those are just like our basic seasonings that we like to add. And then we have our lettuce ready for the wraps. Woo! All right, you guys, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and make our side. And this side, only me and Isaiah and Ava are gonna eat these sweet potato fries. Shanam's not because he's in a lower carb diet. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these seasoned up, and we are gonna go place them on here and cook them for 15 minutes on 400 degrees. All right, you guys, so Shanam's gonna show you how he makes his chicken lettuce wrap. And then he's gonna go ahead and just drizzle some of the sauce on it. Thumbs up? Yeah.
2 thumbs up.
I have 1 cup of sweet potato fries and then my 2 lettuce chicken wraps. I'm very, very happy and excited to eat it. All right, you guys, so today we are going to have like a shrimp scampi over pasta type deal. We aren't gonna use our regular pasta like it says in the picture. We are gonna use our veggie rotini. And yeah, so it gives you like 1 full serving of veggies. And then we are gonna make this C-pack shrimp and seafood pack. So this will be the shrimp. And we're gonna have some asparagus on this side again because we need to make sure we have our veggies during this weight loss. Guys, so this is, I believe, Wednesday's meal. Today's Wednesday, right? Yes, yes. This is Wednesday's dinner. We just have our asparagus that we just baked in the oven. Super basics. Put some basic seasonings on there just to keep it healthy. Sorry, you guys are gonna hear off in the background. And then we just added some shrimp on some vegetable rotini, I believe. Yes, rotini. So that is going to be today's healthy meal to help you lose weight. All right, you guys, and here's Shanam's version of the same meal, but he put a little tahini sauce because he really, really likes it. I really like how he made his food. So cute. Alright, you guys, so this is my more healthier version of spaghetti, and you can also make it with zucchini noodles. You just want to make sure that when you are eating things, like, it's all about portions also. You want to make sure you're getting the right amount of carbs and proteins and fats and all that stuff and still be healthy and feed your body, of course, but at the same time you don't want to overeat. So I know that this portion is right for me, and you know, for you it might be a little bit different, so that's going to be all up to you. But this is a clean way of eating spaghetti, and you get your veggies, your dose of veggies and stuff like that. So it is Friday, and for Friday's dinner, we are gonna do another really easy meal, and this is just gonna be a beef and broccoli. So we have 2 packs of steaks here. They're almost the same exact steak, but we need a lot of steak in there, and then a big bag of these broccoli florets. Just using a low sodium soy sauce. I used a 1/2 cup, and then I used garlic powder. I put a couple teaspoons of garlic powder in here.
You would feel my flow on the ground beneath you. I get weak with you, my kryptonite. I'm yours until the morning light. Follow through, I'll stay tonight. Together we.
Alright, you guys, so this is the beef and broccoli. It is super easy. It's clean eating. It's gonna help with your weight loss. So now you guys have 5 different weight loss meals that you guys can eat and use throughout the week, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a like, and then also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And here is little Remy. Say hi, Remy.